Why to give up, by the way? I'm first of all asking you, why to give up? What we did and thinking, no, we are not improving. So let's give up. This is very tough language, challenging language. We can't learn it because neither our parents are speaking English nor our villagers. So hi everyone, I welcome you back on a new video on this channel. So this video is going to help you out from your difficulties, by the way, because I know you are English learners and you are having so many problems, barriers, obstacles, whatever we say. That is only one thing: problem. Everyone has problem, by the way, in this English journey. No matter whether you are learning or I am learning or who are that person, by the way. So you know that when we start our English journey, first of all we try to speak, but we try only a few days, then we give up. Why to give up, by the way? I'm first of all asking you, why to give up? What we did and thinking, no, we are not improving. So let's give up. This is very tough language, challenging language. We can't learn it because neither our parents are speaking English nor our villagers. So who we are, by the way, let's stop it. No, we don't have to give up, by the way. Why to give up? We have a dedication, we have a desire, we have an enthusiasm to learn this spoken English, and we have started it. So if we have started something with dedication, with enthusiasm, then why to stop it? Don't stop it, keep it, continue. One day you can find a good result, because you know that good things takes time to happen. So it's a good thing. And let me tell you something. You know, I don't know where you are from and what you are doing, what's your profession, by the way. But if you are thinking yourself, if you are considering yourself not a capable person for anything, then this English opens the doors for our future. I'm not throwing my words. Whichever things I have absorbed in my life after getting into this English language or after learning this English language, according to my experience, I'm just sharing here. Literally, dear viewers, this English opens our doors for our future and it helps us a lot. You know, when I was also that person who did not have courage, confidence to stand somewhere and speak. Like now you can absorb me, you can notice while speaking I'm using my hands, but knowingly I'm not using it, by the way. Means automatically my words are saying something and my hands are also speaking something, you can say. So how did I get this confidence? After all, this English gave me this confidence to stand before you all and speak. It took me several months to learn this English, and I also faced the same problems like you. Initially, I used to think how to enhance this spoken English and what to do, what not to do. I did not have any friends, any teacher or whoever. So how I started? Even though now we have our technologies, our mobile phone, we can get helped. Just go to the Google or YouTube, search how to enhance English. You can find loads of videos, but those are only videos. Those can help you to motivate. They will not teach you that until and unless you push yourself to this English language. Literally, guys, you know what we do? Only we watch videos, but do we actually utilize that in our real life? No. That's what, and that's where we face problem. We only watch and listen to them, and when it's come to practice, we step back. It seems like something and someone is holding us back to go forward and to go move forward. So why all these nonsense things are happening with us in this English language? So don't take me negatively. Actually, even though I belong to a village and trying to spread this English language, because there are many students and people who are afraid of this English language. Because I was also a person, when I was studying in my college, I did not know anything about this English, and I was about to quit my graduation, by the way. when I was in plus two, because I have studied in Odia medium, and I have been taught this English language as a subject. So that time it was very challenging for me to learn this English language. Few friends of mine left their graduation just because of having fear of this English language. Since then, I thought and I took a determination to learn this English language. And after that, I started learning, and now I'm speaking in front of you all. So now you must be wondering how to start this English language to learn. So well, if you are totally fresher, then you can go from grammar's basic things, and then you can move on gradually. And on the spot, don't try to make long sentences, and don't try to speak with different people. Different people means what? Don't try to speak with advanced people, because when we get connected with advanced people, they try to use knowingly advanced word to show them more knowledgeable than you. So you don't have to feel down by the way. Just speak as simple as you can, and whatever words you have crammed, you have remembered, try to use while having conversation with somebody. And the main problem comes here, that is having no partner. So we are capable, we are here, we can speak with ourselves. Now I'm recording video, and I'm feeling like I'm speaking with somebody using my hands, and naturally just I'm speaking. And if I feel like no, I don't have any friends, so how to speak, how to practice, then can I do it, can I improve? Not at all. So you also do the same thing like I'm doing. Speak with yourself, which are what's you know, and whatever type of conversation you want to have, that just try to have with yourself. You can say, hello, excuse me, where are you going? No, I'm not going anywhere, just I was wandering here, and I'm waiting here for somebody. Then in different situations and different places, you can have your conversation with yourself. I do indeed, dear viewers. That is why today I'm here and speaking. Don't always make excuses that to do something. By the way, I'm not talking about only this English language, because we are expert in making excuses. So today just I thought to help you out from these difficult situations. Don't make any excuses, and don't have many confusions in this English language to learn. Just try to make simple sentences. You can write sentences and try to speak, because if you're totally fresher beginner, then it creates problem to break the ice and to commence it and to begin it to start it. But try to start, keep your perseverance and consistency, you can say, and keep practicing every day. Definitely you will get the good result one day. Your efforts will pay you off one day, definitely. And guys, if you need any help from me, then I'm here to help you. You don't need to do anything. Do subscribe and leave one single comment. Whatever questions you have, you can ask me. I will not skip any single comment. I will definitely see your comment and help you out by replying to your question and whatever that is. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and leave comment as I said to you. It's my humble request. You can say, if you don't want to subscribe, then don't do subscribe, but at least leave one single comment, so that I could also get to know that yeah, you are watching videos from that place and you have this kind of problems and that kind of problems. So thank you so much for watching once again, and let's meet on the next video.